Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to our three healthy bitters. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new to my channel is about healthy lifestyle, mind, body, and soul, with a bit of laughter. Ha 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 ha. Okay, as you could see, I have banana, some bowls, bacon tray, bacon. This one is, oh my God, this is 14 centimeter. Yeah, 14 centimeter, 5-inch. And as you could see, it's a glass. Okay, let's start again. But I was saying, today I'll be making banana bread, no yeast, and I'm using what I have. Today. I might be rushing my video because my little boy, he's sleeping and I'm trying to get this out of the way as well. So, as you can see, I have 2 bowls and I have a bacon. I don't know if I should say this is a bacon. Is this like a bacon tray? That's where I was getting confused. Anyways, this is where I'm going to mix these 2 bowls. I'm going to mix the wet ingredients in this one and the dry ingredients. I'm going to mix everything in this one. I've got my 2 eggs, 2 medium-sized eggs, my overripe banana. Overripe, as you could see, that's the best ones to use to make your banana bread. And I have some more ingredients on the other side. So let's get into it. Whew, I'm actually nervous. I think I feel comfortable making my juice, but I'm nervous because I'm thinking about the measurement and yeah, stuff like that. So let's get into it. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Okay, so I'm going to... Oh yeah, first of all, make sure that your oven is on. Mine is on to 400. Don't know if that's degree or something, but I know that I set it at 400. Gas is gas as well. And yeah, so I have this. Make sure you grease this with, if you want, you could use butter or some form of oil, or you could spray it. So I'm gonna get this out the way. Bear with me. I am not a professional baker. I could help myself. I could do traditional Jamaican like dessert, like sweet potato and stuff like that. But I've got like 10 notifications with banana bread. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it. Because I noticed several people on YouTube is making it, so I decided I'm going to try it. And I'm here trying to seem as if I'm professional. And the measurement part, you know what just happened to me? I had to delete some stuff. Oh my God. You know what? I'm going to quickly go through this. So what you need to do is mash out your bananas. Oh, I can't believe it. I was recording and I realized that it wasn't. So just quickly mash it out. The fact that the bananas are really overripe, I don't need to do much. So quickly mash it out. And keep shaking. Okay, that's fine. I don't need to do much because it's soft. So mash out the bananas. Mash out your bananas. Add all the wet ingredients to that as well. What you could do, I'm just going to quickly put the eggs, 2 small eggs. Give it a whisk. Guys, I'm trying to move so fast. Right. So after that, add all the wet ingredients in the eggs in this bowl where you have your eggs. One and a half teaspoon of vanilla times 2, or what I could do, just go with 1 tablespoon. I'm rushing, guys. I'm sorry, I'm rushing because I don't want this thing to stop recording without me knowing, so I'm trying to quickly do everything. And then, so you add your, I'm going to use coconut oil. If you want, you could use your butter. I know a lot of people use butter, or you could use olive oil if you want, but I'm using coconut oil. And this is, I'm going to use, sorry, that's 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go in with 4. Okay. So add all your wet ingredients in one bowl. Is there anything else? That's what I need to add to it. Okay.